Cleaning gutters and downspouts is so important. Here's an example of an overflowing gutter that has caused stress cracks in the foundation of the house. This one's by the downspout. This one is pretty active, and as you can see, it's pretty wide. It's pretty simple to clean gutters, especially if you have a walkable roof. Simply take the blower, go up, and blow out the leaves. It takes some time, but it's well worth it as compared to a foundation problem. Blow off your entire roof. Take your time, blow the roof, blow the leaves down. Make sure that you clean that gutter at least twice a year. An overflowing gutter or downspout causes foundation problems, guaranteed. The secret to cleaning a gutter is to make sure that you blow out the downspout. You can see the blower pointing down into the downspout. Clean that downspout. Don't forget to clean off your garage too. All the gutters need to be cleaned twice a year. The fun part is not so much blowing out the gutter, but cleaning up the debris. And you can see just how much debris is in these gutters. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it.